Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting power, safety first. Turn off the breaker or the local switch and verify the terminal has no lights. Press the screen to confirm. Once done, lay a towel under the unit to catch parts and have your screwdrivers, hex keys, pry tool, and a small container ready. Make sure you identify the mounting: a visible backplate, recessed box, or anchors. This determines which fasteners you remove first and explains why different tools will be needed. You now remove the faceplate screws and set them aside in labeled order so reinstallation is simple. After the bezel is loose, carefully disconnect ribbon cables and terminal wires. Photograph each connector to remember orientation. If the unit is sealed with adhesive, work slowly with a thin pry tool along the seam to separate housing. Do not twist the printed circuit board, because stress can crack solder joints. Make sure to support the unit with one hand while you free the last fastener so it won't fall. You finish by unscrewing the mount or wall anchors and lifting the plate away. Once removed, inspect the wall for anchors or broken screws and seal or cover exposed wiring. Use insulated caps or tape if the circuit remains isolatable, and confirm power is still off. Store all parts in a labeled bag. If the unit won't detach because a hidden screw resists, apply penetrating lubricant and let it sit for several minutes. Then use a firm, even torque, don't force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.